What should you use when joining records in two tables? Union or union all? Let's find out. I have two tables here, product A and product B. As you can see, both tables have Apple. When I combine the records of these two tables using union, here's the result. There's only one Apple showing. This is because union command combines the results or two or more select queries, but removes duplicate rows. When I combine the records of these two tables using union all, here's the result. There are two apples showing. Why? Because union all keeps all duplicates. Keep in mind that the choice between union and union all can significantly impact performance. For large datasets, union all is often the better option because it avoids the extra processing required to sort and remove duplicates. However, if data integrity and uniqueness are your top priorities, then union is the way to go. To put it simply, union is ideal for combining results while ensuring duplicates are removed, but it's slower. On the other hand, union all is your best choice for faster queries when duplicates are either not expected or not a concern. I hope I explained it well. If you like this video and want to learn more, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.